How to make money with Amazon KDP in 2023 for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you're going to be making easy money with Amazon KDP in the easiest, most simplest way possible with your Amazon, Kindle Direct publishing, and we're going to be publishing all of our essentials in the easiest, most simplest way. So to start things off, you're obviously going to join KDP. And joining KDP is really simple. You're simply going to go over to kdp.amazon.com. Over here, you're going to click on Join KDP. And once you join KDP, you're going to go ahead and create an account with your KDP. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Add an email and all the necessities into this. You're going to create a password. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that. And once you've added all those things and created an account for yourself, what's going to happen from there is you're going to go ahead, click on create your KDP account, and your KDP account is going to be created. It's going to actually just make you solve this puzzle, and once you've solved this puzzle, click on submit, and you're pretty much good to go. So once you've done that, it sends an OTP to your email that you've added. Okay, so just make sure to go ahead and enter that OTP. Now I already have the OTP, so I'm going to add that over here. So it's 593233. I'm going to add that. 593233. There we go. And I'm simply going to click on verify. Now, once you do that, it asks you to add a phone number. And once you add a phone number and everything, you should be set to start with Kindle Direct. Now, once you have your KDP account, we can actually see that on Amazon, Kindle Direct publishing and, the book section essentially gets a lot of money. So if you come to books over here, and let's say I'm going to search up The Great Gatsby, for example. So you can see that a lot of people have actually, added their own versions of The Great Gatsby. And you can see that, look, 4,000 buys. So let's multiply 2 with 4,000. That's $8,000. So pretty incredible, right? So this is what you're going to do. You're going to add in your stories. And once you add in your stories, these are people's own variations. And it's all on Kindle, as you can see. Kindle, this is maybe paperback. You can create a hardback as well if you want to. So to create an actual book for Amazon, you can use a lot of products and softwares. So in this video, I'm going to be using Canva, okay? We're going to be going over to canva.com, and over here, I'm going to click on create design, and I'm just going to write book. And you can see that it actually takes me into the book section. So let's say I'm going to go on booklet portrait over here, and you're going to add different tabs and start adding your story over here. And it's really simple to do so. All you're going to do is you're going to get a book cover for yourself first of all. So let's say I'm going to make The Great Gatsby myself. So first of all, let's go with a blue background, maybe a bit darker. I'm going to go a bit darker. There we go. Once you do that, you're going to go into your elements. I'm going to add some stars into the design. So here we go. There's your stars. So you can simply go ahead and add these stars. I'm going to give it, the proper star color. There we go. And, I'm just going to copy paste these into my design. And just copy paste them until you get a randomized set of stars in the sky. Now, once you've added your randomized stars in the sky, what you're going to do from there is you're actually going to add your title for The Great Gatsby, right? So let me just randomize these. Yeah, there we go. So obviously you can add more stars to make it look better, but I think this is pretty okay. Then you're going to add the necessary eyes because The Great Gatsby's cover has some, shady looking eyes. So let's say, for example, just for an example, this is not what you can, actually use, but just for an example, we're going to add this. You're going to go into text, and we're going to add a heading. Let's name this The Great Gatsby. I'm going to add that over here. Once you add this, you can start adding some lights. So once you do this, you can see that you have all these light elements that you can add into your design. So I'm going to go ahead, expand that. So there we go, The Great Gatsby. And then down here, you can obviously write written by, obviously the main author is F. Scott Fitzgerald. Okay, you're gonna write that, and that's the name of the author, obviously. So we're gonna bring it down here. And once you do that, you can obviously tell them who it's illustrated by, which is obviously you. You're going to add your name right above Scott Fitzgerald. And this is one page. Now you're going to add another page. And in these pages, you can obviously go ahead and start adding your story. Now, you can use ChatGPT to actually write you a story. So go over to ChatGPT as so. You're going to go ahead and tell ChatGPT to write me The Great Gatsby, but make it for under grade 7. Okay, you're gonna do that, and it gives you a simplified version of Great Gatsby, and it just keeps going on, and you can take one paragraph per page, and you can start adding them over here. So let's say I'm gonna add a little body of text, paste this over here. Once you paste this over here, bring this to the top, and obviously we're gonna go ahead and you can expand this box, obviously. So to expand this box, you do need to go ahead and increase the size of the font. Once you do that, make sure that your text is justified. Once it's justified, you can add specific types of effects into your font as well. You can add lines into these fonts and then keep on adding more pages, and go ahead and add the other paragraph. I'm going to copy this real quick. Come here. Obviously, take this same styling. So I'm going to click on copy. I'm going to come here, click on paste. And then in this, you're going to go ahead and paste this. So once I paste this, I'm going to bring this up here. Come down here. Add it like that. And yeah, adjust it to the design. And that is how it's going to look. So you can just create a whole story like this in the easiest way. And once you've created, your basic book, you're going to click on share, click on download, obviously export it in PDF. You can do it in print, but I would recommend standard. And once you do that, click on download. And once you click on download, you basically have an Amazon KDP book now. Okay. So you can actually check this PDF out. It has great quality, great working. So what you're going to do from here is you're simply going to go ahead and add it into your Amazon KDP to get, your proper Great Gatsby working. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.